Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your one-stop destination for all things health and wellness. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic for those managing kidney disease. We'll delve into 5 specific foods that you should steer clear from to maintain optimal kidney health. Indeed, a well-managed diet can be a game-changer when it comes to kidney disease, helping to alleviate symptoms and slow its progression. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the topic. The first food on our list to avoid is high-sodium foods. Sodium, while necessary for our bodies, can wreak havoc if consumed in excess, especially for those with kidney disease. Too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, a condition that puts extra strain on the kidneys. Over time, this can cause further damage to these vital organs. Beyond that, high-sodium foods can increase thirst and fluid retention, exacerbating kidney problems. So for the sake of your kidneys, try to reduce your sodium intake. Next up on our list is high-potassium foods. Consuming an excessive amount of these foods can pose a serious risk if you're dealing with kidney disease. Your kidneys work to maintain a balance of potassium in your body. However, when kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they struggle to filter out this mineral, leading to high potassium levels in the blood, a condition known as hyperkalemia. This can potentially cause heart problems, including irregular heartbeats and even a heart attack. Remember to keep an eye on your potassium levels to ensure your heart stays healthy. The third food to avoid is high phosphorus foods. Now, phosphorus is an essential nutrient, but in excess, it can be harmful, especially for those with kidney disease. When your kidneys aren't functioning as they should, they struggle to remove excess phosphorus. This buildup can lead to serious health issues, including bone and heart problems. Foods high in phosphorus include dairy products, beans, and nuts. So make sure you monitor your phosphorus intake. It's one crucial step towards maintaining your kidney health. Finally, the last 2 foods to avoid are processed meats and high-protein foods. Processed meats like sausages, bacon, and canned meats are loaded with sodium and phosphorus. Both elements can wreak havoc on an overtaxed kidney, leading to fluid retention, high blood pressure, and further kidney damage. Now, let's talk about high-protein foods. While protein is vital for our bodies, consuming too much can increase the workload on your kidneys. This excess protein can lead to a condition called proteinuria, where the kidneys cannot filter protein efficiently, causing it to leak into your urine. Foods such as red meat, dairy products, and beans are high in protein. It's not about completely eliminating these foods from your diet, but rather moderating your intake. Consult with your dietitian or healthcare provider to determine the right amount for you. So try to limit your consumption of these foods to protect your kidneys. So there you have it, 5 foods to avoid when you have kidney disease. We've taken a deep dive into the world of diet and kidney health, highlighting how certain foods can be detrimental to those with kidney disease. From the high potassium content of bananas and avocados to the sodium-rich processed meats and even the unsuspecting whole wheat bread overloaded with phosphorus. Not to forget the dairy products and dark-colored sodas, each with their unique challenges for your kidneys. Remember, managing your diet is not just about avoiding certain foods. It's about balance, moderation, and making informed choices. It's about understanding your body and nurturing it with the right nutrients. It's about living a life that supports your overall health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Stay healthy, everyone.